Hi, it's Arif Varani here, and I'm highlighting a weekly COVID community champion. And this week, I want to highlight Chef Jagger Gordon and Feed It Forward. Jagger came to my attention when he started and launched a pay what you can grocery store right here in our community in the Junction. And since then, he's been working tirelessly to combat food insecurity and fight against food waste. His work is only accentuated now that we're facing the COVID challenge. He's reaching out to those who are most vulnerable and building out his services. It's really a tremendous, tremendous amount of work he is doing, and I congratulate him and all of the people that are working with him. Today, on May 1st, he's actually launching an even bigger food warehouse. They're delivering food hampers to those in need and combating food insecurity amongst those who are homeless. If you want to find out more about Feed It Forward, please go to feeditforward.ca. If you'd like to volunteer with Chef Jagger to help out at the soup bar or the pre-made meal program, please email him at info@feeditforward.ca. Thank you, Chef Jagger, and thank you, Feed It Forward, for all you're doing to help in the fight against COVID-19. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you.